Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a KontrolFreek. This is the KontrolFreeks, obviously, Vanguard edition. It's fairly new. Let's get into it. All right, got a sticker here, 15% off, order total. So each of these are about 20 bucks, $43 in total. Very expensive. On the back, they just have information on how to apply these and then more products basically. So very simple. I have two of these here. We have the PS4/PS5 and the Xbox Series X/Xbox One. Both of them, they have bonus content as well with in-game codes. I will unbox the Xbox version first. I'm not too sure if I'll unbox the PS5 one because I will be doing a giveaway on this one. 100 likes, I'll be giving this one away. But they're basically the same. Obviously, the only difference is the thumbsticks are bigger on the PS5, so they make them a little wider. And for the Xbox, they're a little more smaller in size, so yeah, that's that. On the back of the box, you just have some more information. So it looks like these are both high-rise performance grips. We're gonna see what that in-game code is as well. Oh, okay, so the code is like literally right on your face. All right, so here's the code. First come, first serve. Oh, it'll be available on November 5th, so you can use it on November 5th. I'm pretty sure that's when the game releases, and if it does, then dang, I have to do content quick on that. But yeah, that's that little code. That's pretty much everything. And then here are these sticks themselves. So let's get these out. So they have nice V patterns here. Very nice red. I'm gonna go ahead and get my other KontrolFreeks. All right, so this is my custom controller. I have these red ones on here. They're very, very dirty, as you can see. So we'll see how these ones are, because these do have like little wedges in between them. We'll see if that gets dirty over time as well. Different color of red. These are more of like a rose red. These are orangish red. So you can see the difference in red, depending on what type of controller you'll have. They might match that Pulse controller for the Xbox. Oh, ooh, these have gray. They have gray on the bottom, I just realized that. This is a custom controller, so it's a little different than normal thumbsticks, but yeah, that's what it looks like. You can turn the V. I'm definitely not going to be using those on these controller because this controller already has these thumbsticks. But yeah, so the texture on these ones are really good. I like them. I don't like them as much as the Galaxy FPS, which are the most popular, and actually I really do like these a lot because they have the most grip. We'll see how these ones are. I'm hoping that these are good too. So these are the high rise. So this is an Xbox One S controller. Yes, it is a high rise, almost. I think this one right here, the quickscope one, is a little higher, probably due to just how they made it. Well, these are very fast. Very, very fast. It doesn't have a lot of grip. It does and it doesn't. Like, it's smooth on the inside and then it has grip towards the outside. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if I like it though. So it doesn't look good on that controller, obviously. I really want to try it on this controller. I'll test it and I'll put some B-roll in there. But right now it's kind of a lot of work. It did come with this free keychain, Call of Duty Vanguard. I say free, but these things are kind of expensive. These things were technically 20, so this is technically $10 that you're paying for. But it's like a little keychain, I guess you could say. Got the KontrolFreek with the, I guess, the Vanguard helmet. And it's specifically with the Call of Duty. Very nice, actually. So yeah, you can have that somewhere. I don't really know a use for that. Collector's item. All right, so yeah, that's that. And we'll see if I like these within a week.